Good afternoon, Ken here with Ultralight, and on this video I'm going to show you some interesting ways to use some parts. If you have let's say a motorcycle, or you have maybe a boat and you want to attach a GoPro somewhere and maybe do filming as like on the motorcycle as you're cruising down the road, or you want time lapse on the boat of people on the boat or something else, or maybe a car, whatever. Anyways, really cool thing to use is Cardellini clamps. If you haven't heard of Cardellini clamps, they're really neat. They're stainless steel and cast aluminum. They're great for all weather conditions, and basically they have a narrow or a wide jaw. But for what we're going to show you today, we're going to show you all the narrow jaws, because this could clamp down in a tighter a smaller area. So basically you loosen this up, put it on what you want, and then you tighten it down again. So you could take this real quick and you can mount it right here. And there you go. So the whole idea is you mount that somewhere you want, and then what we have is we have the Cardellini clamp. It's the Card SMC, which is a 3/8 stud, and you would use a AD 3816 ball mount attached to the clamp. Then you have the clamp. This is a CSL SK2. This clamp has cutouts on it, and then you would use an AD Go that we have, which would mount here and mount your GoPro to it. So basically you have 1, 2, 3, 4 different parts. We will be selling these in kits eventually, but we're just not set up yet for that. So anyways, you can take this now, you can mount this however you really want, tighten it down, and there you go. It works out really good. And like I said, you can mount these anywhere that you really can think of. If you would like a clamp that has a longer neck on it, then this would be the Cardellini SMC, and this uses a BAHP ball on it, which would be this, and it has a 1/4 20 thread in it, and you tighten it down, you're all set. So as you can see, there's so many uses. But like motorcycle, we've tested them on motorcycles. They're great. You can put them on the mirror. You can mount them anywhere on the back, anywhere that you can mount it. Really low to the road. So you can actually mount several of them if you wanted to and get a really cool video. Or like I said, a boat, jet ski, you name it. It's all in the mind what you can think of, you know, so there's plenty of uses. Anyways, I thought that might be of interest to everybody, and have a great day and happy filming.